Dear students of Standard 9, welcome to Botany class. How are you everybody? Hope you all are well and safe by the grace of Allah. In this class, we are going to discuss the last portion of chapter 6. Our chapter is Transport in Organism. So, today we will discuss that transpiration is necessary evil and importance of transpiration. And everybody, I inform you, this is the last lecture of your second term syllabus. So everybody, let's start the class. Why is transpiration called as a necessary evil? You know, the transpiration is very much essential for the plants, but excess transpiration is harmful for the plants. As we know, all transpiration is the natural process of removing the excess water in the form of water vapors from the aerial parts of the plants, called stomata. Other than removing excess water, this biological process is also involved in pulling water molecules from the root to the tip of the plants. Transpiration is necessary evil because the increase in the rate of transpiration results in drying up of the leaves. As the leaves turn dry, the plants eventually dies. So, transpiration is essential for the movement of water and minerals from the root to healthy part of the plants. But excess transpiration may result in drying up of the leaves or wilting and loss of soil water. Hence, it is termed as necessary evil. The metabolic activities of living plant cell are dependent on the process. Because of transpiration suction force is developed in the xylem vessel. With this suction force, the absorbed water and mineral salt by root hair of the plants are conducted to the leaves. If the force decreases, the absorption of water will be decreased and the metabolic activities along with the production of food will be slow. On the contrary, though transpiration contributes many use to a plants, it also plays some harmful role. For instance, if the rate of loss of water is greater than the rate of its absorption, this will cause deficiency of water and mineral in the plants. As a result, the plants may die. If water is deficient in the soil, absorption will be very little, though transpiration will continue as before. To deal with this, nature causes many plants to shed leaves in winter because of lacking of transpiration. The required diffusion pressure deficit will not develop, and as a result, the rate of osmosis will be slow. So, it can be said that transpiration is essential activities for a plants, though it causes some harm to it. For the contrary characters, the scientist Curtis designated the process transpiration is necessary evil in 1926. But as a whole, transpiration has continued in spite of its having some negative effect because it enables plants to survive. Okay everybody, now let's see the significance of transpiration in plants' life. You know that plants' transpiration process is very essential for the plants. All green plants require water to absorb and transport nutrients and other essential elements from the soil through root nodule to different part of the plant. Transpiration plays an important role in the existence of the plants. So everybody see the different importance of transpiration in the plant's life. Absorption and upward conduction of water. Transpiration creates a pool on the water column in the xylem vessel. As a result, the water is absorbed by root and cell sap goes upward. You know that due to transpiration, a pool is created that is called transpirating pool which is created on the xylem tissue, and for this reason xylem tissue absorb water from the soil by osmosis process. Salt absorption. Root absorbs some quantity of mineral salt along with water, because you know that due to osmosis process plant absorb huge amount of water. So when plant absorb water, there is some salt are absorbed through this process. So transpiration indirectly helps in the salt absorption. Regulation of leaf temperature. Transpiration prevents plants from getting overheated and also maintain proper humidity of the leaves. Photosynthesis. Water is one of the raw materials of photosynthesis. This water is very important to manufacture food in the process of photosynthesis. Transpiration process helps in absorb this water. You know that through this transpiration process water is used. So when a pool is created on the leaf, the plant's root absorb water, and this water helps in photosynthesis process. Rainfall. Due to transpiration, a huge amount of water vapor accumulated in the atmosphere. They form clouds, ultimately come down as rain. That is why in the forest region rainfall is much more than other region. Decreases water pressure. Due to transpiration, excess water is released in the environment, thus decreases water pressure of the plant's body. So transpiration process is very essential and significant process for plants, but high rate of transpiration is harmful for the plants. That is why excess transpiration is called necessary evil for the plants. You know that in all higher plants, transpiration function as an excretory system by eliminating excess water from its tissues through the aerial part of the plants. Stomatal transpiration, lenticular transpiration, cuticular transpiration are the three main types of transpiration. All discuss. Transpiration play a significant role removing excess water from the aerial parts of the plants. Okay, everybody, today up to this. Thank you.